Good morning, my dear students. We are going to start with a new topic, that is highest common factors. Factors, you all know, is a number which divides another number exactly without leaving any remainder. The divisor that divides the dividend without leaving a remainder is it is known as the factor. Take an example over here. The factors of 8 and factors of 20 will find out. With the recall of this, you will come to know what are factors. Factor of 8 will start. The factor of every number starts with 1. किसी भी number के factors जो हैं 1 से start होते हैं. That was told you earlier also. 8 is divisible by the next prime number, that is 2. So 2 is a factor of 8. Next number that is from which the 8 is divisible is 4, and 8 is divisible by 8. So these are the factors of 8. Now factors of 20. 1 is a factor of 20. The first factor is always 1. 20 is divisible by 2. Then by 4, 5. It is divisible by 10. And in the last it is divisible by 20. Here I want to make you one thing again clear. Factor starts from 1 and ends at the number itself. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे 1 से start हुआ, 8 पे finish हुआ, 20 के factors 1 से start हुए, 20 से finish हुए. तो that is the recall of factors. Factors आपको याद आ गया कि क्या था. Now we have to find out the common factors of 8 and 20. I am circling the common factors of 8 and 20. 1 is the common factor of every number. Here 2 is also common. 4 is also common. So these are the common factors of 8 and 20. 1, 2 and 4. Now highest common factor. अब highest common factor आपको कौन सा नजर आ रहा है? It's 4. सबसे बड़ा common factor 4 है. So highest common factor of 8 and 20 is 4. So this is the way we come to know about highest common factor. The highest common factor, that is HCF of any number or any two number or more than two numbers, is the greatest of common factors. जो greatest है, सबसे common factors, जितने भी हमने common factors निकाले हैं, उनका जो greatest number है, that is the highest common factor. It is the greatest number. This 4 is the greatest number which divides the given number. The 8 and 20 are the given numbers, and 4 is the greatest number which can divide both the numbers 8 and 20. So that is highest common factor. That is known as highest common factor. Now I'll explain you how to find the highest common factor with the help of different methods. Now here you can see in the book exercise there are different methods are asked for finding the HCF. First is list the common factors. That is your question number 5. In question number 6 it is asked find the HCF with the help of prime factorization method. 7th question it is asked find the HCF with the help of long division methods. So 3 different methods it is given over here and it is asked over here. I am explaining you 4 methods because in the book also 4 is explained but asked only 3. The first is the list of common factors. Then I am explaining you the prime factorization method. Along with the prime factorization method, I am also explaining you the division method. I am explaining you the division method. This is known as division method. I am explaining with the division method and then long division method. Now question number 6 you can do with the help of prime factorization method, either by the prime factorization method or division method. आप दोनों में से कोई से भी मेथड को यूज करके क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 कर सकते हो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आपको लिस्ट करके करना है, 6 आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन या डिवीजन मेथड से करना है और 7th लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड से करना है. Now I am explaining the methods one by one. Now the first method of your book is listing factors. That is question number 5 of exercise 6A. The first part is 20 and 35 numbers are given and you have to find the HCF by listing the factors. Now factors listing you have studied in the previous video also. 20 के factors बताने हैं. It comes in the table of 1 as 1 is the factor of every number. 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5 gives you 20. Now opposite of all this, 4 into 5, 10 into 2 and 20 into 1. So I am writing the factors of 20 here. It starts from 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These are the factors of 20. Now the 35 is the next number. 1 into 35, 5 into 7, 7 into 5 and 35 into 1. So factors of 35, 1, then 5, then 7 and then 35. Now you have to find out the common factors. 1 is always a common factor and 5 is also a common factor. So 1 and 5 you can say are the common factors of 20 and 35. 20 and 35. So HCF of 20 and 35, highest common factor of 20 and 35 is your 5. आप यहाँ पे देखोगे 5 जो है दोनों का highest common factor है. So 5 is the highest common factor of 20 and 35. I hope it is clear to you. Now moving to the next method. For the next method, method number 2. Now method 2 is prime factorization method. That is question number 6 of your exercise that is given on page number 63. 6th question है ये आपका जिसमें पूछा है find the HCF with the help of prime factorization method. So prime factorization method you have already studied in the when I have explained you the prime factorization. So here are two numbers 42 and 60. हमें prime factorization निकालना है. Continuous prime factorization method that was explained in the previous video also how to find out the prime factorization with the continuous method. Here we are using the continuous method. Like first number is 42. Start with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So this is the first prime number I have taken. 2 as a prime number I have taken and divided 42 by 2. I got a quotient 21 that I have written over here. Now again it is not going with the prime number 2. I have taken the next prime number 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 7 again is a prime number, so we'll divide it by 7. 7 1s are 7. Now 1 आ गया यहाँ पे. Continuous prime factorization में it was explained when it comes 1 you have to stop. Now start with the 60. Take 2. 2 3s are 6 and 0. Again by 2. 15 2s are 30. Now by 3. 3 5s are 50. Then 5. 5 1s are 5. Now we have to stop here. Now I am writing the factors of 42 over here. That is 2, 3 and 7. The factors of 60 I am writing here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now the same thing that we have done. We have to circle the common factors of 42 and 60 that I have done in the previous method. Circle the common factors 2, 3, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Now the common factors are 2 and 3. These are the common factors. 2 multiplied by 3 is the common factor. We have written here multiplication sign. There we have written the common factors in a different way. यहाँ पे मैंने 2 multiplied by 3 लिखा है. Common factors को circle किया. उन numbers को एक एक बार उठाया. That I have done. Now 2 3s is 6. So highest common factor of 42 and 60 is 6. Highest common factor of 42 and 60 is 6. This is the method is called a prime factorization method. This method number 2 is a prime factorization method. You have factorized both the numbers. Factors you have taken out. Then you have find out the common factors. You have multiplied that and you got the HCF of that. There is 2 more methods are there. The third method I am explaining you. Now listen that carefully. This third method is known as division method. The third method is known as a division method. First method we have done listing. Second prime factorization. This is a division method. Now division method we have to take all the numbers together to find out the highest common factor. Instead of taking the numbers separately as in the prime factorization. Here we are taking all the numbers together. You can see I have made the table in which I have taken all the numbers in a single table. This question is question number 6 of your exercise 6A, and it's a B part. It's a B part I am doing with the division method. A पार्ट मैंने आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से सिखाया है, बी पार्ट में आपको डिविजन मेथड से सिखा रही हूँ. वॉट एवर मैथड यू फाइंड कन्वीनियंट एट योर पार्ट यू कैन यूज. आप किसी भी मैथड से उसको कर सकते हो, बट आई प्रेफर यूज डिविजन मैथड बिकॉज दिस डिविजन मैथड इज वेरी वेरी यूजफुल. सबसे बेस्ट मैथड है HCF फाइंड करने के लिए डिविजन मैथड. सो आई प्रेफर ऑल ऑफ यू टू लर्न division method. Let's see how this division method we have to do. Now first we have to find out 18, 36 and 44 तीनों numbers कौन से common number से divisible होते हैं. तीनों numbers common divisible numbers कौन सा है? 18, 36 और 44 क्या 2 से जाते हैं? First हमारा prime number जो है 2, क्या ये तीनों number 2 से divide होते हैं? Yes, it is divisible. 2 से तीनों नंबर्स डिवाइड होते हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे 2 लिखेंगे. आई एम डिवाइडिंग ऑल द 3 नंबर्स विद अ सिंगल नंबर. हमें सबसे पहले ये चेक करना होता है इस मेथड में, whenever we are taking the number over here, that number should be, the divisor should be such that it is dividing all these 3 numbers. तीनों नंबर से डिवाइड होना चाहिए, मीन्स ये तीनों नंबर उस नंबर से डिवाइड होने चाहिए. 18 is divisible by 2, 36 is divisible by 2 and 44 is divisible by 2. That's why I have taken here 2. I have not taken any other number. Like 2 9s are 18. Here it is 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 18. 2s are 36 and here it is 22. You can do in a rough work also. अगर आपको 36 से नहीं आ रहा तो आप इसको 2 को यहाँ पे साइड से डिवाइड करके भी देख सकते हो कि this is divisible. And one thing I'll tell you here only, that is coming in the next exercise, the numbers which are having even numbers at ones place are always divisible by 2. जैसे यहाँ पे 8 है, 6 है, 4 है, सारी even numbers हैं, they are divisible by 2. So हमको definitely पता है कि ये divisible by 2 है. Now this number is not divisible by 2. These two numbers are divisible by 2. So we will not take 2 now because हमें ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जिससे तीनों नंबर्स डिवाइड होने चाहिए. अभी तीनों नंबर डिवाइड नहीं हो रहे 2 से, तो वी विल नॉट टेक 2. अब नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 3. 3 से तीनों नंबर्स डिवाइड नहीं होते. दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय ईदर बाय 2 और 11. 11 2s are 22 होता है, तो इसके फैक्टर्स 11 और 22 ही हैं. सो ये 2 से हो जाएगा, ये 2 से हो जाएगा, ये वाला नंबर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. तो वी विल नॉट प्रोसीड, हम आगे बढ़ेंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसा नंबर जब वी विल स्टॉप एट दैट प्लेस जहाँ पे हमें ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं मिल रहा, इसके बाद हमें ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं मिल रहा जहाँ से हम तीनों नंबर्स को डिवाइड कर सकें. आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग एनी नंबर टू राइट ओवर हेयर विच हेल्प्स मी टू डिवाइड ऑल द 3 नंबर्स टुगेदर. ऐसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं है. देखो यहाँ 3 से हो जाएंगे ये 2 नंबर, ये 2 से होगा, अगर ये दोनों 2 से होंगे तो ये 3 से होगा. तो ऐसा कोई भी और नंबर नहीं है जो तीनों नंबर्स को डिवाइड कर सकेगा. सो हेयर वी विल स्टॉप. हमारा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर हमें मिल गया, दैट इज 2. 2 इज द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ओवर हेयर. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल मैथड. आपको फटाफट हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर मिलता है अगर आपको ये मैथड यूज अप्लाई करोगे. विद दिस मैथड आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू वन मोर पार्ट ऑफ द सेम क्वेश्चन. By division method, explaining you one more question. See, this is question number 6, C part. Till A part and B part I have already explained. This C part now. C part also I am explaining with the division method because I prefer division method is better. See, 36, 48 और 60 के साथ हमें ऐसा कॉमन नंबर लिख लेना है जो तीनों नंबर्स को डिवाइड करे. Now you can see 6 is here, 8 is here and 0. At ones place. That means these numbers are divisible by 2. I am taking the 2 over here to divide these numbers. As I have given in the previous question also, 36 को हमने divide किया था 2 से, we got 18. 18 2s are 36. Here we divide 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So 24 will be here. 2 3s are 6 and 0. So all the three numbers are easily divisible by 2. Again you can see these three numbers can be easily divisible by 2 because it at ones place 8, यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 0 है. Now divide it with by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, and 15 2s are 30. So we got the numbers 9, 12 and 15. Now only 12 is divisible by 2. 9 and 15 are not divisible by 2. But all these three numbers are easily divisible by 3. So we are taking 3 over here. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Now here you can see 3, 4 and 5 are not divisible by a common single number. ये तीनों नंबर्स जब नीचे आपने देखा ये नंबर्स बच गए, यहाँ पे हम तीनों नंबर्स को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो हियर वी गॉट कॉमन फैक्टर्स. ये आपके कॉमन फैक्टर्स यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हो गए. आपने इनको यहाँ पे नीचे लिखना है 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3. ये कॉमन फैक्टर्स हैं आपके. अब इसके हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर बनाओगे मल्टीप्लाई करके. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. सो 12 इज द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 36, 48 and 60. That is the method of division to calculate HCF. This is division method. There is one more method that is known as long division method. Let me explain you that. So altogether I have explained you 4 methods for calculating HCF. The last method, let's see. Now the third method, question number 7th. by long division method. 84 and 90 का आपको long division method से HCF find out करना है. That is again on page number 63, question number 7A part. Now here you can see I have used the division method. The division method says कि आपको divide करना है properly. The bigger number will come as a dividend. Smaller number will be coming as a divisor. Now take the divisor 84. Now 84 ones times will go. It will go one time. 84 ones are 84 because अगर हम twos लेंगे तो you can see it will be a more. So 84 ones are 84. I am writing 84 here and now I am subtracting. 10 minus 4 gives you 6. So here I have subtracted this and I got 6. Here it becomes 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So I am not writing 0 over here. Now it's not a simple division. यहाँ पे आपको simple division नहीं करना है. आपको क्या करना है कि अब ये नंबर्स जो रिमाइंडर बचा है इसको आपको डिवाइजर बनाना है. दिस इज योर डिवाइजर नाउ एंड दिस विच व्हाट इज डिविडेंड. अब दिस नंबर बिकम्स योर डिविडेंड. ये 84 आपका डिविडेंड बन गया. 84 इज बिकम अ डिविडेंड बिकॉज इट इज नाउ गोइंग टू बी डिवाइडेड बाय 6. आपने फर्स्ट स्टेप में डिवाइड किया, सिंपल डिविजन. 6 इज रिमाइंडर ओवर हेयर. अब आप 6 को डिवाइजर बनाओगे और आपका जो डिवाइजर था पहले वाला उसको आप डिविडेंड बना दोगे. नाउ डिवाइड 84 बाय 6. 6 ones are 6. Okay, 2 is left. Copy down 4. 6 4s are 24. So subtract it 24. Here it is 0. Now this is your complete division is complete as we come to an end to 0. अब हमारा जो लास्ट डिविडेंड है, आई एम रिपीटिंग, जो हमारा लास्ट डिवाइजर है, हमारा जो लास्ट डिवाइजर है, लास्ट डिवाइजर मीन्स ये हमारा लास्ट डिवाइजर था, फर्स्ट डिवाइजर ये था और लास्ट डिवाइजर ये है. जो आपका लास्ट डिवाइजर होगा दैट इज योर HCF. So HCF of 84 and 690 is 6 because it is the last divisor. आपका जो लास्ट डिवाइजर होगा वो आपका HCF होगा. I am explaining you one more part of it. Try to understand the concept from there. Now this question number B, question of 7th part. Bigger number inside dividend, smaller number divisor. Now started dividing. 144 ones are 144. What is left? 6 is here and here it left 1. Make a divisor as a dividend. अब आप इसको डिविडेंड को बना दोगे. 140 जो आप 4 पहले आपका डिवाइजर था अब वो डिविडेंड बन गया है. नाउ डिवाइड इट. यू नो द टेबल ऑफ 16 देन इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. 16 9s is 144. 16 को 9 टाइम्स डिवाइड करोगे तो 144 आएगा। अब आपका लास्ट डिवाइजर कौन सा है? 16 आपका लास्ट डिवाइजर है, तो 16 इज योर HCF। सो दिस इज द वे यू हैव टू प्रोसीड। आपको जब तक चलते जाना है जब तक जीरो नहीं आता। यहाँ पे जीरो यहीं पे आ गया है तो हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे। आपके डिवाइजर्स जो हैं और डिविडेंड्स जो हैं वो चेंज होते हैं अकॉर्डिंगली। आपको जो पहले वाला जो डिवाइजर है उसको डिविडेंड बनाना है, और जो रिमाइंडर बचेगा दैट बिकम्स योर डिवाइजर। दैट वे यू हैव टू प्रोसीड इन द लॉन्ग डिविजन मैथड। नाउ प्रैक्टिस ऑल दीज सम्स, do it in your copy and check all the answers from the PDF. All the parts of HCF I have explained you how to calculate the HCF with different methods. I have taken the sums from the exercise only. So please check the sums of the exercises and try to understand the concept and do all the sums. All the best to all of you.